to all students is a federal law, Section 508. So we must provide accessible readings, course design in Canvas, including all PowerPoints, documents, and videos. Captioning supports this. In addition, in many circumstances, students need to access video content through open or closed captions. Plus, universal design for learning meets the needs of all learners. In this how-to video, we're going to learn how to create closed captions for those Zoom recordings in Adobe Premiere Pro. Step 1. Open Premiere Pro. As it opens, open Zoom. Find your Zoom recordings. Select the recording you want to work with. Click Download. Set up Premiere for your recording. Select New Project. Give the project a memorable name and select a file location that you can easily find. Leave all settings to default and then select OK. You will have an empty project with key windows, including a project panel, a source panel, a program window, and eventually a timeline. When you go to File, your timeline will appear. Select Import. You want to choose the MP4 file, not the MP4A file. After it imports, drag the recording to the timeline. If you need to crop, edit, or clip any portion of your Zoom video, this is a good time. For instance, if a student remained in class after to ask a question, this is an excellent time to crop this portion. You can make edits later, but it is easier to work with less video going forward. From the editing window, select Transcribe Sequence. At this time, Premiere Editing and Captioning will not be active unless you dragged your media to the timeline. Leave your settings at the standard here, unless you only need to transcribe a portion of the transcript. Click Transcribe. Wait for about an hour. This seems to be the amount of time it takes to transcribe an hour and 15-minute class session if you have paused your recording to allow students to work independently for a few minutes. This is a good time to clean or grade. You know you need to.